If there's one thing in crypto that we need to pay attention to, is always what's bringing money, because that's where it changes. And everything is around exchanges. For example, HyperLiquid is one of the highest revenue generated platform and changed the way we trade. And now we have competitors to HyperLiquid are coming, and you can farm really early to have an airdrop. And that's why today I'm going to talk about TX Flow. Don't worry, I'm going to show you everything, because if you try to type the address now, you're not going to be able to access it. You need an entry code. And that's why I like those things, is when we can be early on something. Because if you're going to trade anyway, and they're going to have similar fees, why not trade at the place where you would get as well some airdrop points, and then probably, maybe, we will see a juicy airdrop. But I know, and I can't disclose now, who is behind TX Flow and then how they got incubated. Just me, it's interesting. So what do we have here? TX Flow is a Perps DEX, which means you can trade any kind of asset in crypto with leverage up or down, and you don't need to verify your identity. You don't need to do any KYC. Those ones are becoming more and more popular, and they're going to gain more volume. I believe everyone will trade on Perps DEX in the future. And being early on them always been super rewardful. And talking about the stats of TX Flow, the volume is still really low. It's doing below 20 millions per day. Some days above 40 million. But to give you an idea, it's really easy to get a good share of that volume, because that's how the points are usually counted, is by how many percent of the volume you do and what kind of volume you do. So when you check here, if I close this trade, for example, this trade is worth $700, and it's a really small trade. The goal was just to place one to show you when I'm here. Plus they have a competition, trade and unlock. So the more you trade on this, and you can just join it by signing with your wallet, that would be stupid not to. And what you're going to get is you're going to get free credit on top of that. So you are farming points early, and on top of that, you can get this. So they have daily payout. So for example, now I'm going to close my trade up. If I do flash close, you see that my position size is 83 Solana. So that's going to be actually a huge amount of volume. Of course, you can also download the app here. So if you want to trade on your mobile, that's going to be really easy to use. And now what I'm looking for is when they're going to open the liquidity vault, when I'm going to be able to put money into it. For now, I am not able, maybe with this account, because this is my test account to show you guys. Maybe I need to have more volume to unlock that. And if I check the P&L of it, well, it's been pretty good. And you can see there's not many people in the vault. Now, what you can trade on it? Well, you can trade all the crypto one, but you can also have TradFi. So we have gold, we have a MicroStrategy, we have Tesla, we have Coinbase. Like, you have plenty of those stocks. You even have like some Korean stock. Oh no, that's not Korean. Wait, no, SKH. Yeah, I was right. It's Korean, but they just priced it in USDC. Been a bit on the way down for them. And look at that. Just with one trade, I already did $10,000 in volume. And my trade was not big. For me, it was just a few $100s. But that represents 13,000 for the volume. I just need to do 100K in volume. Then I can have my referral code. So you can just do that. Like to access, you need the code TXHANDSOME, because it's blocked otherwise. You're not going to be able to get in. And once you do your account, you connect with your favorite wallet, and then you're going to click on deposit. Here, you can deposit any kind of crypto you want and from any chain you want. They have Solana, Polygon, Base, Ethereum, and Arbitrum One. I used Arbitrum. It was really easy. And I'm able to deposit. And once you deposit, you have it in your portfolio and you're ready to trade. That's basically what it is. You can also transfer money between your Perps account and your Spot account. So if you want to move money from, like here, I have all my money into Perps, I can move it to Spot. Spot means like it's the normal buy and sell. You don't have any leverage. It's just for lower risk and lower rewards. Of course, like when you do Perps, don't go with crazy leverage that's going to blow you up directly. This is not a casino. Your goal is to stay in for the long term. But let me give you an example. If I wanted to do a lot of volume, I don't tell that I showed you that. Let's say silver. Silver, I can go 50x leverage, which is insane. And I'm going to take a little bit here. Let's go be crazy. I'm going to buy long, boom. So now I have my position here, okay? Liquidation price will be at 54. That's quite low. I could still add more to my leverage. Now, P&L is $3.72. Okay, now we're back. We're in positive, guys. We made $1. We lost 42 cents. He's a mosquito bastard. I can't stop the mosquito doing the live. And now if I go into my referral, what do I see? My trade? You understand now. And then if I close this trade, what I will get is even more. Now, of course, you have a bit of fees, but now you can get the fee discount with the competition if you run it here. So you can trade with way lower fees. Look at that. I have 30K directly here. So if I reach 50 million, then I'm eligible for that, and then for this, and then for that, and then for that. So it's like it's always on. And you have like 5 days. So I wouldn't wait too long to be able to join, because the earlier you are, the better you will be. Now, there's another trick in the book. Is, for example, here, like, oh, this position is losing money, right? What I could do is on another exchange, place an order that do the opposite, that is shorting silver. And like that, no matter what happened, I'm not going to lose money, because on one side I'm making money and the other side I'm losing money. And because it's going to be the same amount, well then I'm almost good. And I have another trick in the book, but I don't think I can say it in the video. It's going to cost me problems. So I will share it in my Telegram, because that's the one I used before on the Aster airdrop and everything, and that did really well. Now, what I want to know is more like, what do you think about this platform? Do you like it or not? Like, they want to sponsor the podcast, and I was like, yeah, why not? Like, we use Perps all the time. And then I was like, okay, the exchange that is behind it, they are big. So I was like, okay, they have the money for it. So why not? We have a beautiful red market, actually. I think it's opening the season. It makes me think almost about Christmas now. And you can see all the blocks, what they have, the transaction on it. That's the beautiful thing of the blockchain. I don't think they have any toolings yet to analyze all that. But let's wait for the votes when we're going to be able to do that. And that's why we like to be early on our thing here. Let me flash close it. Boom. Are you guys ready? We're going to go into referral. Look at that. I'm at 61 already. 61K. Like, place me in the top already of the one today, of the traders today. If you check HyperLiquid, the volume is at 10 billion. Got it on camera, 4K. That mosquito will not have a good life anymore. Sorry for the vegan watching this video. So 10 billion, can you imagine? And I'm showing you that something that is doing $20 million in volume so far. So that's how early you can be. Let me put back a short on Solana. Let's see how it goes, that one. I hold some Solana spots, so I don't really care. This is like edging. And that's another strategy. You can edge your bets. If, for example, you have a massive position spot on any coin, you can open a perps position that is opposite of it. So if what you have in your portfolio goes up, then you can sell some of it and pay for your short. But if it goes down, you can close your short and make some money and feel better than you have something that was just losing money. Hey, let me get quickly to boom. I think now we're going to be soon to 100K. There you go. Just one more trade and we're at 100K volume for today. 100K volume a day keeps the doctor away. Look at that. This one is in positive already. Again, $5. There you go. Boom. And now, no, don't tell me that I was close to it. There we go. Now I can have a referral code on this account and start to refer people. The link will be in the description. I know most of the people will not do it, and that's fine. That's totally normal, because laziness is what keeps people broke. They don't want to get on something new when they first hear about it, because they rather hear it from 10 different people. So then after they think about it, but then the opportunity is gone. And that's sad, but that's the way the humans race work, and we can't do anything about it. But if you guys still here, you know how it is. And the cool thing is, if you short the market at the right time in instability, well, you can make money while farming the airdrop. So I'm gonna close that one. Boom, schlock, boom, shakalaka. And now if I check on this account, I go into my portfolio, which is my main account for the test. Let's check on the 7 days. We made $120 while farming it. Not bad. And we're gonna have plenty of points because now our volume is 128. We're gonna be approaching dangerously the 50 million. Now we still have some work to do, but if I go hard on it, like if I do that like 10 times a day, that's gonna be good. And that's the thing, like it is a flash drop that happened just right when we were recording. But hey, we caught that.